kindergarten. So the last time that we were working on our Kandinsky drawings, we were coloring them in and making them bright and colorful. Now it's my favorite time is to paint. So all of this white paper is going to go away. You're gonna need your watercolor paint set today. So go ahead and open that up and put that somewhere. Put your watercolor brush and your water somewhere. And you can use any colors you want today. You do not have to stick to the primary colors, but you might notice some really fun things happening when you mix some of these colors together. Remember, when you go to get your paint, you're going to take your brush, dip it in the water, and maybe you want to start with a primary color. So I might start with my blue, and I'm going to start painting. Because we used our pastels or our crayons, you don't have to worry so much about staying in the lines. Watch what happens when Mrs. Hops just starts putting color down. I could go right over top the yellow, and the yellow pastel or crayon pushes that paint away because they are made from two different materials. So this is called a resist. The fun thing starts to happen when you start painting the background and then change colors. So maybe I want to do the hula, clean my brush off, and see what happens if I put a little bit of yellow paint now over some of these, and look at how they can change colors. Remember, I said you do not have to stick to the colors, but what you do need to do is paint everything. So you can see how I can use the green right out of the thing, mix it right next to the blue, and it makes another teal. Maybe I want to do the hula and see what happens if I mix some yellow next to this green and make this beautiful lime green. So this is your choice and your chance to kind of be a color scientist, mixing some things together and filling this in so that your whole paper becomes painted with whatever colors you want. Sometimes if you mix all three primary colors together in your background, you might make a color that looks kind of brown, and that is okay if that is what you want to do. Your job is to paint this so there is no white spaces left. Let's see how Mrs. House finishes this up if I speed up my painting.